Okay, ladies and gentlemen, these are the answers for page 2, problems 4 through 7. So for problem number 4, you're going to solve for x. So our very first thing is to undo this square root. So we're going to take the square root of both sides. That leaves us with x minus 3 equals 5 squared, which is 25. We're now going to add 3 to both sides of the equation, and you get your final answer of x is equal to 28. 1 point for the correct answer, 1 point for your work. Problem number 5, we are solving for x. This is our magic unicorn. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to make sure that those bases are the same. So we look for the smaller one, which is 3, and see if we can rewrite 9 as 3. And of course we can. So we have 3 squared, and then we put whatever was up there in parentheses. So we have 3 to the 2x power equals 3 to the 20th. Once we get those bases the same, they basically disappear and go away. So all we have to do is set our powers equal to each other, which is 2x is equal to 20. We divide both sides by 2, and x is equal to 10. So once again, we have 1 point for the correct answer and 1 point for your work. Problem number 6 is the same magic unicorn, only this time it's even easier because we have the same base. So we just go automatically, those 2's disappear, and what we're left with is x plus 3 is equal to 2x. We subtract x from both sides, and we get 3 is equal to x. 1 point for the correct answer, 1 point for the work. Our last problem in this video is a fraction busting problem that looks ugly, but it's not that hard. So we're going to go ahead and solve for x. So looking at this, we're going to go ahead and we are going to multiply everything on both sides by the common denominator, which is x. So we're going to go ahead and write an x around parentheses around each one. These x's cancel out. So for our first term, all we have left is x plus 3. X times 2 is plus 2x. Over here, the x's cancel out, so we have x plus 5. We're now going to combine like terms. X plus 2x is 3x, plus 3 is equal to x minus 5. We're going to move our variables over to one side by subtracting x from both sides. So we have 2x plus 5. 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. We're going to move our numbers away from our variables. So subtract 3 from both sides. 2x is equal to 2. Finish up by dividing both sides by 2. So we get an answer of x is equal to 1. Once again, 1 point for your answer and 1 point for the work. And that's it for page number 2, problems 4 through 7. Our next video is going to be on page 3, problems 8, 9, and 13.